want to know how you can turn your smartphone into a money-making machine? You want to earn money quickly? I mean, if you are, then this is the video meant for you. This free app that will pay you just instantly with a click. Today, in this video, I will show you an app that makes you money instantly by clicking on a link sent via an email. But before I tell you about this secret on how you can make your smartphone into a money-making machine or this app, I want to welcome you to my channel where I show you different ways of earning money online. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon to be notified for new videos such as this in the future as well. Now, let me tell you something. This is the method that I've tried and made tons of cash by just a click. So click, click, click. This here will not make you just a couple of dollars, but it will pay you dividends of hundreds or maybe thousands. This will become your life-changing income. This app is available everywhere around the globe. Whether you are in Nepal, Bangladesh, even if you're in Australia, New Zealand, or even somewhere in Africa. Are you ready to learn this amazing method? So you can go enjoy the rest of your day with, of course, the cash that came out of this smartphone. So I'm going to give you my secrets on earning quick and easy money online. Now, for this method, you need an email client such as Gmail or Outlook, or you can even download Yahoo on your smartphone device. Go ahead and sign up if you don't have an email or an account in any one of these. I use Gmail for myself, so I will create an account on Gmail. You can actually create an account because it is absolutely free. But remember to always have a unique password with a unique username. Not something easy so someone can take away your money, your hard-earned money. So once you're done creating a Gmail account or any email account, I want you to go down in the description. I have all my links under the description for your use. Now you can see proof of earning from different countries on this website. People have earned from all around the world. Places like Brazil, Nepal, Austria, and even Ghana. Every single minute you get instant payments, and payments are received all around the globe. So keep watching this video. Don't worry, it's not a scam, it's legit. It is not something difficult, it's pretty easy to do. So just go ahead, go down, click on the description, and find the link and use the link to your advantage. Now on this platform, on this app, you will make something like $0.04 for every email you click. What happens is they send out advertisements to your phone, to your email. And all you have to do is read the email. What happens is they send out advertisements, and when you click on them, a timer pops up. Timer pops up with an advertisement bin below. You watch this ad, and then once the time is done, when the timer ends, voila, you are paid. But there are multiple earning options, so you can create like multiple streams of income. Because reading emails is just one. Then you have multiple weapons. On the term, we use as commissions to earn even more money. So I'm going to say this again. Hear me out. This is 100% legit, so you don't have to worry about anything. They also have a two-factor authentication. Plus, it is very transparent that you earn and your earnings are safe. Plus, they can be tracked and verified inside your account. Lastly, this is smartphone friendly. You can literally just use your phone to make money via your email. And then, once you've made enough money, you can request a payout. They will pay you in minutes. So for me, this website is really unique. But hey, we want to avoid this one mistake, so stay tuned. Now, go ahead and click on the link given in the description below. Create your account, put your valid email address under your legal name, plus add the email you want to receive the emails on this. Accept the terms and conditions. Click on the radio boxes. Plus, make sure you read, because if you want to receive marketing emails as well, or you can save yourself from that. Anyways, once you're done, click on register. They will send you a link to verify and register, so you go click on that to activate your account. After you register, just log into your account. This is where you'll be able to track your earnings and start making money. Then withdraw with what? Just a click. If you have some friends and family that want to benefit from this, that can, just send them the affiliate link, the referral link to your friends or family, just to get commissions from their earnings as well. Now, I want you to do is, this step is very important. If you don't take this step, you won't be making money. Alright, I want you to go back to your email and find that second email they sent. Remember, if you don't take this step, you will not be able to make money with the platform. So go back, open your email, find their second email. You must take the steps written on the email, but there's a thing on the email. They will ask you to add their contact by clicking the 3 dots. Go ahead, click on the 3 dots, and you'll see no option. What you will have to do is copy their email. Click on the 9 dots on top of your website. It has all the Google apps. Just open it and click on contacts. Once you're on the contacts page, add them into your contacts. This step is really important if you want to start making money. So go ahead, 9 dots, contacts, add your email to the contacts. Once you complete this step, you will start receiving emails and you will be making money, which you will be able to withdraw. Imagine how easy was that? How easily you made your smartphone into a money-making machine. Well, I told you my secret, so just make sure to give this video a like and a comment below as well. Comment your suggestions. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask away. So anyways, I want you to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of videos like this, my secrets, in the future. This is it for my video, and I will see you next time.